Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the future of luxury mobility with the all-new 2024 Voyah Dream. This isn't your average minivan, it's an electric behemoth that promises to redefine the way you travel with your family and friends. So, buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and let's explore the dream together. First things first, let's talk about that head-turning design. Inspired by the mythical Kunta bird, the Dream boasts a majestic presence on the road. The expansive grille, flowing lines, and sleek silhouette combine elegance with a touch of futuristic charm. It's definitely not for the shy, but those who appreciate boldness will be smitten. Interior, but the Dream's true magic lies within. Step inside, and you're greeted by a haven of luxurious comfort. Spacious leather seats, handcrafted wood accents, and ambient lighting create a lounge-like atmosphere. The panoramic sunroof bathes the cabin in natural light, while the advanced entertainment system keeps everyone entertained on the go. This isn't just a car, it's a mobile living space designed for ultimate relaxation. Now, let's talk about the muscle behind this beauty. The Dream comes in two options: a pure electric version with a stunning 650 km range and an EREV hybrid that extends your journey to a mind-blowing 1,231 km. Both options pack a punch with over 400 kilowatts of power and 840 Nm of torque, ensuring effortless acceleration and smooth sailing, even with a full load. Plus, the advanced all-wheel drive system and adjustable air suspension guarantee a confident and comfortable ride on any terrain. The Dream isn't just about luxury, it's packed with cutting-edge technology to keep you safe and connected. It boasts a suite of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking. The infotainment system is intuitive and responsive, with voice commands and a large touchscreen display. Safety and convenience are paramount in the Dream. So, is the 2024 Voyah Dream the ultimate luxury family mover? It certainly makes a strong case. With its stunning design, spacious and luxurious interior, impressive range and power, and cutting-edge technology, the Dream redefines the way we think about MPVs. If you're looking for a vehicle that combines luxury, performance, and practicality without compromise, then the Dream might just be your perfect match. What do you think about the 2024 Voyah Dream? Would you consider trading in your minivan for this electric dream machine? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more exciting car reviews, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Until next time, happy driving.